Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about an issue of the Adobe Photoshop. So the neural filters mode of Photoshop is not working, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So if the option of neural filters is disabled or is not showing up in your Photoshop, then to fix it, simply get signed in into your Creative Cloud account. And if still you are not getting this option, then after signing in your Creative Cloud account, make sure to update it. And also make sure to update your Photoshop to the latest version. Now if the option of neural filters is showing up in your Photoshop account but it is not loading, then first of all make sure to check your internet connection. And also make sure to check the server status of Adobe. You can easily check the server status of Adobe from its official website. Also make sure to check the status of Adobe services. For that, simply click on this option and here you will get the list of all the services. Check whether they are working or not, and along with that check the status of Creative Cloud, and also make sure that you're using this option on an image with a face. If still it's not working, then try to use another image. If still it's not working, then disconnect from web, close all Adobe related tasks and simply restart your device. Try to sign in with another account and your issue will be resolved. It may also be a bug of Adobe itself, and in that case you can't do anything. So these were some ways by which you can easily fix your issue. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.